Hey guys, welcome back to the Preset Biz channel. As you can see, we've had some big upgrades and we've upgraded our cameras and lighting. But in today's video, we're going to be doing a remake of Joel Corry's new song, Bed, which is with Guetta and RAYE. And you've definitely heard the song, you can't miss it, it's all over the radio at the minute. But yeah, let's jump straight into the production and see how close we can get on the remake. Thankfully, we actually managed to get some quite clean vocals for this one. Normally the rips are really bad quality, but it's not too bad. So let's start with the bass line. It's quite a simple melody, just playing this MIDI here. And the first preset we're using is called Heart, so it's a Joel Corry preset, we have to use it. And all the presets we're using in today's video are from Piano House Vol.1, so if you want to grab those, we'll be linking that down below. Second preset is called Head, and it's head and heart, you know, we've got to use them both of them, and they sound like this. And then we're using Alone, which is a really cool preset. So that's what the bass consists of in terms of layers, but what we've then done is put a bit of compression, some reverb, which is just giving it a space, and then of course we've got some BX Digital doing some width. And then I just want to be sure to make everything below 100 Hz in mono, because you never know with reverb, it can get a bit messy sometimes. So the key characteristic of this sound is actually coming from the organ, which nothing can really emulate as well as an M1. This is just the staple synth for doing that UK house kind of sound. So I've grabbed this preset here called Perk Organ. So it sounds like this together. I felt that kick number 4 from the same pack just sounded really good for recreating the original song. It just had the same character. So now we're going to move on to the claps, and we're going to throw in a clap number 7, which is the closest I could get to the original. Obviously these are quite plain sounding hi-hats, but because they're open ones, they just sound like the typical kind of house drums that you would use, and I found that they were quite close to the original. One of the really important parts of the groove in this song is coming from the snares, which again are really reminiscent of like an old UK house kind of song. So I found this loop here which was perfect for that. This was actually within the Piano House pack. I've put a bit of sidechain on them as well, so it sort of gets glued in a bit more to the rest of the song, and you also get rid of like the claps and stuff that you maybe don't want because we've already got our own in there. So the final element is this crash here that I've also added from the same pack, but with the ping pong delay it just keeps it interesting to the ears. Okay, so I think the whole production is actually wrapped up now. It's quite a simple FLP, there's not actually a lot of layers, but if you want to have a play around with this one for yourself, we'll be linking that down below so you can grab it. We're going to go listen back now to the whole thing, get a bit of build in there so we get a bit more context and see how close we've got. So there we have it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one and found it useful. If you're liking the new setup as well, or you've got any advice for this, then please be sure to drop those down below because I'm a noob and it'd be much appreciated. But thank you very much for watching. Smash the like button, hit subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.